In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Ladbrokes customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so open up your Ladbrokes app as you normally would. You'll be brought to the home page here. Now from here, you want to click onto where it says more, bottom right hand corner of the page, and you'll be inside your account. Now from here, scroll down, and then under help, we've got a contact us button we can click, or a live chat. So if you want to speak to a live chat representative, just say, hey, I'd like to speak to your customer support team. They'll go ahead and direct your chat, or you can click on contact us. So they've got a 24/7 customer support line here, a betting line, and a safer gambling helpline. So you can contact any one of these numbers and get them to direct you to their customer support team, which they will do for you. And you can also submit a support request today. So you can fill out your first name, last name, email, put in your phone number, subject, and then put in your message.